Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Muzaffar Ali Shah, and I am the National Sales Manager of Zunich Solar Energy Pakistan. So I want to tell you that Zunich Solar Energy is the fastest growing and emerging brand of Pakistan, and we are providing the solution, power solution, to the people of Pakistan of lower class, middle class, and upper class. We are catering all the level of people, that we are providing a solution as per their need, what their load and assessment they required. We are providing. We have currently we are totally importing from China and Taiwan. So we are providing 1 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt hybrid inverter. We have currently IP21, IP54 and IP65 technology inverter at present in Pakistan, and we are using the accessories and component as the leading manufacturers in China. And in battery we are using BYD cells, and BMS we are using from American based company PACE. And in our board, if you see our 4.6 Rock series, so we are giving a international brand board. So it's a very good board, and people are liking that. It's a dust proof and waterproof board. So 4.7 kilowatt inverter we have introduced. So it's around 5 kilowatt wattage. So and its price is around 135 135k. It's a 6 kilowatt capacity and 11.7. It's a single phase inverters, and as well as we have IP65 range. It's a 6 kilowatt. You see, 6 kilowatt, 8 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt, and 50 kilowatts inverters. So these two inverters, 6 kilowatt and 8 kilowatts, we are giving a single phase, and after that 12 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt, and 50 kilowatt is a 3-phase inverter, and we are giving this high voltage batteries also. And we have around 2 other variants which we are using in a 6000 cycle batteries, lithium ion batteries, 6000, which is around 6 years warranty. And as well as we are giving BYD cells Z-Box series. It has a 12 volt. We are giving from 12 volt to 30 kilowatt batteries. So Z-Box we are using BYD cells. It's a 10 years warranty product. You can see this is a very good product, and those people who want big backup, so they can use. So we have all solutions we have. So Alhamdulillah, we have around 48 after sales service CSD centers all over nationwide, as well as we are giving we have around 60 distributors nationwide and 350 sub dealers nationwide. So they are providing the services to the people of their own areas. So we have surrounded around all our nationwide areas. So Alhamdulillah, Zunich is known as an emerging and fastest growing brand of Pakistan, and we are giving a good quality product to the people. So I must say, please experience this. Once you use our product, inshallah you will feel happy and get the solution as per the requirement. Thank you very much.